Accounting for over 30% of the gross domestic product and employing 55% of the population, agriculture is a key driver of economic growth in Rwanda. However, farmers face a number of challenges, including a lack of access to modern agricultural technologies. To address these challenges, the Rwandan government is committed to investment in the modernization of the agricultural sector, with a particular focus on harnessing the power of artificial intelligence technology. A key solution to Rwanda's agricultural transformation is the integration of artificial intelligence into the agricultural sector. Digital solutions such as precision farming, inventory applications, weather forecasting, remote sensing, and drones are expected to better address farmers' challenges. The Rwandan government also encourages farmers to collect crop data using global positioning system and a smartphone application. This initiative aims to improve agricultural production and increase resilience to climate change impacts. Investment in the modernization of the agricultural sector can contribute to economic growth, poverty reduction, and improve food security in the country. Farmers will also be able to benefit financially from the introduction of modern agricultural technologies.